Hot glue gun ccbetter upgraded version mini hot melt glue gun with 30 PCS glue sticks with glue gun removable anti-hot cover for small craft projects and home quick repairs blue. 3 to 5 minutes fast heat up. Upgraded ccbetter mini hot glue gun heats up in 3 to 5 minutes. Its smart temperature control design enables it to remain constant temperature. It bonds immediately and cools to the touch super quickly, thus being ideal for home use. Anti-hot cover and safe power switch. Secure power switch with LED light mode makes the glue gun extremely user-friendly. Removable ABS anti-hot cover can well protect your hands from the heat. Flexible support can keep it stable and upright, allowing you to use it in any angle. Trigger propulsion device superior nozzle. Its trigger propulsion can have a well control of the glue flow, helping you save a lot of glue sticks. With superior and insulated nozzle, the glue gun will not be deformed even after long-term use under 500 of high temperature. Multi-purpose and 30 PCS free glue sticks. Coming with 30 PCS environmental friendly and strong adhesive glue sticks, the gun can well protect your health and items. It is perfect for home, office and school crafts like metal, wood, glass, card, fabric, plastic, ceramics etc. Warm prompt keep clean of the glue sticks to avoid impurity. Block the nozzle and do not pull out of the remaining glue sticks after every use. Click the link in the description to get this product.